So you've been thinking about stepping up your game as far as car care, and you've heard about ceramic coatings and how great they can be for your vehicle, that protection, the shine, the water beading. But what if I told you there's real problems that can happen after you get a ceramic coating that most shops don't talk about? So I'm going to talk about the most common issues customers face after getting a ceramic coating on their vehicle: the water spots, the maintenance, the imperfections, application, or improper prep process, so you can make the most informed decision possible. You know, this is one of the most misunderstood services in our industry, and they get overhyped. They get compared to other services like paint protection film, but ceramic coatings, they're great, but they're not perfect, and they're not a set it and forget it type product. And there's issues that can come up during ownership. So you can still get water spots on your vehicle, even a ceramic coated vehicle, as long as there's a horizontal surface where that water can sit and dry and leave those minerals behind. There's a chance to get water spots. When you get them in a ceramic coating, though, a lot of times we can fix it. Even if we can't fix it, and we end up having to actually remove that ceramic coating, we're still preserving and protecting your actual original paintwork on the vehicle, which is something that ceramic coatings are designed to do. So even though ceramic coatings are chemical resistant, things like bug guts, bird droppings, tree sap, there's still the potential for that kind of stuff to etch the ceramic coating and leave a mark behind. The ceramic coating is really going to just buy you more time so you can get to the vehicle and you can get it washed before that stuff has the opportunity to do that. Whereas an uncoated vehicle, you're not going to have much time. You leave a bird dropping out on your vehicle, leave it out in the sun for too long, it's going to leave a mark. So a few of the other things, application or improper prep work, can cause a ceramic coating to fail prematurely, which you're not going to find out till after you get the ceramic coating on your vehicle. Imperfections, scratches, swirl marks, marks left behind from bug guts, bird droppings, tree sap, things like that. What are your expectations when it comes to having that ceramic coating applied to your vehicle? Do you want a near perfect paint job before that ceramic coating is put on there? Because remember, one, it's going to enhance a lot of stuff. There's a potential for it to enhance and make it way more apparent than any of those scratches or anything like that. Two, you're going to be stuck with it too for however long that ceramic coating lasts for. So if you don't want to see any of those types of imperfections, if you have them in your paintwork, it's a good idea to make sure that that kind of stuff is going to be taken care of before you get the ceramic coating on your vehicle. So when it comes to ceramic coatings, you'll hear every detailer preach it's all about the maintenance. And it is. A lot of this stuff can be avoided flat out just by maintaining the vehicle on a regular basis. So the bug guts, the bird droppings, tree sap, things like that. As long as you're keeping up on the vehicle, you shouldn't have any type of issues that's going to come up from this kind of stuff, even the water spots. Just keep that in mind, that it still does require regular maintenance. It's still, like I said before, this still isn't a set it, forget it type product. So here's an issue I know everybody's thinking about. May not be asking about it, but I'm sure you're thinking about it. And it's, what if you have an issue with your vehicle and with the ceramic coating, but now you're having an issue with the shop? They're not returning phone calls. They're not returning your emails. They're not returning text messages. You bring the vehicle to the shop and they start blaming everybody but themselves for the issues that you're having with your ceramic coating. Or maybe you even got like a cheap spray coating instead of the actual real thing. The easiest way to get around these issues and not have these issues is to vet whoever's going to be applying the ceramic coating for you. Check the website, check their reviews, ask for references. Just make sure you vet them. And it's the best thing you can do to help avoid that type of issue with the shop. So if you are thinking about getting a ceramic coating, but you're still a little bit unsure, check out this video here or here, or give me a call. I love the opportunity to walk you through and find a ceramic coating that is a great fit for you and your vehicle. At the end of the day, ceramic coatings are a great option as long as they're applied correctly, maintained, and sold with honesty. I'll talk to you soon.